Good morning, students. So this is the class that video has deleted from the YouTube channel. So again, we are going to discussing that the same videos here. This discussion concern to what general calculations, right? General calculations, it means this general calculation solving the numbers which is applicable to the chemistry as well as physics and in mathematics also. Let us the general calculation we have made into as a mathematics rules: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What happens if this number has given in an examination 6.65 into 10 raised to 4 plus 0.895 into 10 raised to 4. So how to add these two numbers? So addition, we have kept here positive sign, that is plus sign. Here the similar term is 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 4. So that's why this similar term, identical term, we are taking outside as a common term. Then remaining thing is which one? Only 6.65 plus 0.895. So that's why I have written this one. The remaining similar term I have written only one time. Again this similar term I have written by adding these two by the calculators or by orally, we will get 7.545, this one as it is. This is the case in the presence of addition condition. Okay, next subtraction. How it is subtraction? You can see here they have given two values. One is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 and also they given 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. So how can we subtract? In the same way as we have done in the addition format. So this one and this one we will write, okay, like see here 4.4 point, but you just see 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 3. These two things are not same, right? Not same. So that's why what we will do, we will first make it same to these powers. To these powers, how? If this decimals we are, if this decimal we are taking backside, then here we will add plus 1. So that's I have written this decimal point I have taken here. So that's why here plus 1 I have written here. That is plus 1. This decimal point means 0.48. Now minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2. Now you can see here this value I have kept as it is, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 2. We will take common, right? Now remaining thing is this one, subtraction, we will get this one. The remaining thing I have written here in the presence of or in the subtraction case. Next, in a multiplication case, how? Instead of minus we will put multiplication. Here you can see there is a no similar term. Here doesn't matter the similarity of the powers, right? So here 5.8 into 10 into 6.9. This one I have written, this one I have written. The remaining this one and this one. So here one rule will come. If power same, if power same, sorry, not power, base same, right? A and A, right? So here 10 and 10. Then power we will add 10 raised to 5 plus 8. Base same, we will write only one time. Then power we will add 5 plus 8. This one by multiplying we will get this one. Okay. Now that is 5 plus 8, it is 13. So we will always keep this value in the scientific notation. What says scientific notation? N into 10 raised to n. This n falls in between 1 to 10. 1 and 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 38 ನೋಡಿ, ಹತ್ತರಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ take this point here, again we will add here plus 1. So that's I have written here. Now these decimal points moved back, so that would be 3.816 into 10 raised to 13 plus 1. Now by adding these two we will get 14. This is the one case. Another case you can see 9.82 multiplying the remaining term I have written here. Okay, base same, I will write only one time. Next power we will add minus 2 plus minus 6, minus 2 plus minus 6. Now plus and minus, what it would be minus. So minus to minus 6 minus 8. By multiplying these two we will get 24.50 10 raised to minus 8. If you move this decimal point here, because scientific notation, that would be 2.450 into 10 raised to minus 8 plus 1, then that would be 2.450 into 10 raised to minus 7. This is the answer. Next, in the presence of division, in a division what we will do, we will divide these two things. This one plus 4 ideally we will take in the numerator, right? What it will happen, plus iddidu minus agutte, right? Minus 4, right? Now base same, again multiplication form nalli bantu. Idu divide madidre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ value, right? This one we are dividing, so we will get this much value. Okay, now this one base same, we will add the power, right? Minus, as we done here, same thing, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Now 0 point, see value should come in between 1 to 10. It is less than 1, 0 point means. So that's why what we will do, we will move this decimal point front side, right? If 4 comes, we should not go further here, because 49 it would be more than 10, so it should come between 1 to 10. So that's why 4 point, we will write 4 point. We moved this point front side, so that's why I will minimize minus 1. ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂತಂದರೆ minus 1. So that's why I moved this point here, so it would be 4.909 into 10 raised to minus 7 minus 1, that would be minus 8. This is the how, my dear students, general calculations we are doing. I told you in the beginning of this video, it is very very important for the sake of physics subject and as well as a chemistry. But in a physics, every time in every chapter you will often using this type of calculations, and in a second PUC, first PUC, it's a very basic concepts for it. Thank you.